Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rossy and today I'm sharing as part of our Advent Calendar gift is how to make the Star of Bethlehem or the Christmas star. I hope you like this project. Let's get started. On the same template we shared yesterday for the angel on our Advent Calendar, you're going to find the cutout for this star. And it's all drawn out. Again, these are completely free and translated in English with both inches and centimeters as units. Now we're going to get started on this one, and I'm measuring 1/2 of a tablespoon of yellow clay and stretching that out until we can fit that cutout in there. Now I'm just going to place that cutout on top and start cutting all around it. And I'm going from the inside outwards so we can get a sharper cut. And I'm just removing the pieces as I start cutting them out, and just do this all around. Once that's done, it's gonna look like this. I'm gonna cut 2 of these because we need to add a little piece of wire to help it stay in place. I'm just going to add a little bit of glue in the middle, so down the middle, and this is where we're gonna place the wire. This is going to be embedded into either the base of our Advent calendar or on the top of the table. Once we have that here, we're going to place the other layer of the star, the other piece we already cut out, and then just layer that on top. But first, we're going to add glue all around these triangles or little directions we have. So add enough glue to make sure it sticks together. And now I'm actually going to start smoothing down the sides, blending both pieces of clay, making sure we get clean lines. And now I'm going to make some lines on each of those valleys we have all around the star. And I'm just doing this to highlight the shape and give it sort of a 3D texture. And I'm doing this all around. So if you notice, I'm also doing the same lines on these sides. And it just helps it look a bit better in my opinion, but it's completely up to you which look you prefer as well. And we can do this with a crochet needle if you don't have this tool, or also with a toothpick. Just like this. Now we have a little bit more volume. I really like the way it looks better. And it's also very firm at the bottom, so we can place it where we need to. Now I'm just gonna go in and add some shading or highlights using my golden toner, and I'm just trying to highlight those different textures we added. It might look a little yellow on screen, but it's more of a gold color. You can also add this with a very dry brush and some metallic paints, and just slightly going over those different lines to make them stand out. And once you're done, it's gonna look like this. It's very shiny and nice. And we're ready. I really hope you like this very short gift for today. And we're gonna continue tomorrow. Again, my name is Rossy and Manos Creativas. Many blessings.